I
You switch it.
I did. Okay, it got in the way. They got caught together. Here we go. Yeah, they got crossed. Here we go. That's better. So even numbers. We got a 8, a 2, a 4, a 9, and a 0. And the odds, we got a 3, a 1, a 9, a 5, and a 7. Fantastic. Let's go to the next page. Okay. Now we're using the word we used before, greater and smallest. Let me zoom this in a little bit. Here we go. What is the greatest form? Oh, I see. Form the greatest 2-digit even number. All right. Using these numbers, what is the greatest 2-digit even number? You guys understand that one?
6.
Well, we know we have a number. So here we have a number of 1, 3, 4. We have to make an even number that is the highest using just 1, 3, and 4. All right.
Oh.
So it's got to be an even number. We've only got one even number. So your numbers,
4.
well, let's have a look. Your numbers will be, let's have a look. Your numbers, we're combining the numbers together. So the number could be 4. The number could be 14. Or the number could be 34.
34.
Which one is the greatest?
34.
34.
Yeah, it's a little confusing, but you're right. It is 34. Right now they're asking, form the smallest 3-digit odd number. That means it has to have 3 digits. And they want the smallest 3-digit odd number.
1.
Well, it has to be 3 digits together, right? We can't pick 1. It can't be 2. Like this one used, oh, I made a mistake on this. Sorry, this one should not have been there. Thank you. All right, that one should not have been there because it's only 1 digit. So this one, we're saying 3 digits, and we need the smallest odd number. All right, so let's look at our 3 digits. Let's have a look. We could do, now it has to be odd, so we can do 143. Oops, what is that? What's a Q in there? 143, that's a 3-digit. We could do 341. We're using all 3 digits. Let's see what else we could use. We could do 431. Right? These are all 3-digit odd numbers. Let's see what else we could do. 413. Right? These are all odd numbers using these 3 numbers. All right, let me move this over a little bit so it makes more room. All right, so that's what we got. Let's see, what's another odd number we can make that has 3 digits? Let me see. We did 143. Oh, we can do
143.
We can, and now we can do, I think we got them all. 143, we use the 1, the 4, and the 3. We have 341. We use the 3, the 4, and the 1. We have 431. That uses the 4, the 3, and the 1. And 413. That uses the 4, the 1, and a 3. I can't think of any other odd numbers we can do. Let me see. 413, we've got that. 431, we've got it. 341. We can't do 343 because it's already used. And okay, I think that's it. These are the only numbers we can come up with. 3 digits, all odd. So which one is the smallest?
$143.
Yes, 143. That is the smallest digit, the smallest out of these four. Out of these four, 143 is the smallest. Which one would be the greatest? Out of those four numbers, four odd numbers, which one is the greatest or the highest?
430.
430. 430.
151.
Good.
That's that.
All right. 431. Excellent work. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, we still got time. Kate is thinking of a 3-digit number, and the number is greater than 900. Okay? The digit in the ones place is the smallest odd number. The digit in the tens place is the greatest even number. Oh my gosh. That's pretty confusing. Okay, so they're helping you. What is the smallest one-digit odd number? What is the smallest one-digit odd number? Is it 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9? Which one of those is the smallest?
1.
There you go. Excellent. And what is the greatest one-digit even number? So what is the greatest even number? This can be a little tricky. What do you think? What is the greatest one-digit even number?
400.
Is an 8. Okay, it can't be 10 because that is 2 digits. So it can't be a 10. So our smallest odd digit number is a 1, and the greatest one-digit even number is an 8. All right, so what is our number that we put here? You know it starts with a 9 because it's 900 and something. So the number is great. So it has to have the digit in the ones place is the smallest, and the digit in the tens place. Okay, digit in the tens place. So that's our next number. This is the hundreds place. So the digit in the tens place is the greatest even number. What do I put here? Oops. Do I put a 1 or an 8? What do you think? The digit in the tens place is the greatest even number. What is the greatest one-digit even number?
8.
Yes, in the tens place we have an 8. In the ones place we have a... What comes after the 8?
7.
Can't be a 7. What number is this right here?
1.
You're right, because the digit in the ones place is the smallest odd number. What is the smallest odd number? Is 1. All right, that one's a little confusing now, isn't it? Okay, because there was a lot of words in there, but you did really well. That was good. So our number is 981. Okay, you're a little confused. That was a lot of interesting words they used in there. All right, you had to remember what our tens place was, which is here. Our ones place is here, and our hundreds place is here, right? Going back to what we did. All right, good. Woo, whew. That hurt kind of, didn't it? All right, let's go back up a little bit. Let's go back up to here. Excellent. All right. All right. Well, this is something you can do. All right. Pretty simple. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Look around where you are right now. Okay. Try and find a number around that you see. Okay, what are some uses of numbers that you can see around you? So I'm looking in my apartment. Do I see any numbers in my place? I don't see any numbers actually on the walls or on the floors or on anything. Do any of you guys see a number anywhere in your house? Does anybody see a number? Look around your house where you're sitting.
163.
You have 163?
Clock in a clock. 63.
I want a clock. Oh, I don't have a clock. A clock would have numbers up to 12,
What?
wouldn't they?
In a train.
Good.
502, teacher.
I'm trying to find a number on
And
a
my
wall.
mom calculated. 502, teacher.
I want a calculator. That's a good one. I don't have a I'm not going to use my math book because that's kind of cheating. I'm trying to find my phone would have numbers, of course. My phone's got lots of numbers. I'm trying to see
My dad's book.
a math. Yeah, the math book has lots of numbers.
My,
Look for something. Do you have a
my
number?
dad's book. Not math. My
Your
dad's
dad's book. Good. That's a good one. I have an eraser. This eraser has a whole bunch of numbers on there. Look at all those. Oops, wrong way. There they are. Look at all of those numbers on my eraser. I got a lot of numbers on there. What else do I have that's got a number? Any of my
My little
pencils?
brother crayons.
He has crayons with numbers on them? No numbers here. My pencils don't have numbers. No. Oh, wait. Oh, I got a bunch of numbers here. There's a number on that. 5008. All right, on a different pencil. Do I see any other numbers? Nope. That was an interesting number. 5008. I won't use my math books because, of course, math books have numbers. Let's see, is that a number?
And my marker.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, that's something. What is that? That looks like crayons, right?
No, it's marker.
Okay, markers. Do I have any markers? I have markers, but no. I have a pencil sharpener. Do I have a number on a pencil sharpener? Nope. Oh, I do. Look on the back. I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's got some numbers on it. All right. So,
My computer.
yes, computers can have lots of numbers, isn't it? All right, let's try and answer these questions, okay? You answer honestly if you can do this. All right, so let's see if we can do. Do you know how to count to 1,000?
5, 6, 7, 1, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000.
Excellent. So if you can count to 1,000, put a little check mark. All right, I can too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a long time. Write up to 1,000 in numerals and words. Ooh, can you do that? All right. So we want our numerals. So you can write in, let me do this. Oh, let me use this. So right up to 1,000. Well, that's easy. They give it to you. There's 1,000. Okay. Now, how do we write that out in words? Do you guys know how to do that?
O-N-E.
O-N-E, that is 1. Good. How do we spell 1,000?
T. P. O. W. W. 1,000. 1, 2.
What letter comes next?
A. A. N. Z.
A-N-Z?
A-N-D. No. A-N-X.
1,000. What's that? What comes after the U?
The S. 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 A-N-D.
Awesome. So now you know how to do it. Right up to 1,000, which we did, and in numerals and words. So here's our numerals, and here is our words. 1,000. Okay. We haven't used thousand for a while. Tell the value of a digit in a number. All right. So that is this. So if I put a number 467, 4 is a what? Is that the ones, the tens, the hundreds, or thousands? What is
The one.
the 7 are the ones, right? When you have a number, this one's are the ones. What is the 6? Is it a what? 6 what?
10.
You're right.
10.
And the 4 is?
100. 100.
Right.
100.
So we know we have 400 and 6 tens, which is 67 ones.
Toilet, please.
Toilet, okay. All right, let's compare and order numbers within
I
1,000.
think
Well,
you say 60 toilet.
okay, if you have to go to the toilet, this is just comparing, or it's what we did on our math test. So let's give you a couple of numbers. I'll do 341. Compare and order them. 341, 231, and 915. We got to put those three in order. What's the order? Which comes first, second, and third? So what comes first? Out of those three numbers, which one do I write first? Which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest?
231.
Excellent. And the next one?
341.
Good.
900.
And the next one?
934.
902. Excellent. That's we've compared some numbers and we put them in order and complete a number pattern. Well, we've done number patterns too. So let's do a 1, a 4, a 7. What's the next number?
9. 10.
Let's check. Ready? 1, 2,
9.
3, 4. So we're going up by 3.
10.
4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 7, 8, 9.
10.
It is 10. Going up by 3s. What would be the next one?
13.
Yeah, we're going up by 3 every time. Okay, that is a pattern.
16.
Yeah, it'd be 16. Then?
19.
Oh, you're on a roll. You're doing great. Then?
21. 22.
There you go. Good. 22. We're just counting up by 3.
44.
Hold on,
24.
let's look. 22, 23, 24, 25. Then we have 25, 26, 27, 20.
28.
And we keep going up by 3. So there we go. And the last thing we need to do, is recognize some odd and even numbers. So I'll put a number. Here's a number. 467. All right. Was that odd or even? What do you think? 467. Odd or even? If I write odd or even, what do you think?
Oh.
Yeah, because it ends in a 7. Let's do another number of 3,468. Odd or even?
Even.
Yeah, because it ends in an 8. All right, so you guys did excellent on this, okay? So this one, let me draw a little line. So this one was comparing numbers. That's this one, up to a number. This one was 231, 231. Oh, these two go together. All right. Recognize a number pattern. That's this. And odd and even numbers. That goes there. And, oh, tell the value of a digit in numbers. There we go. This one goes in here. And yes, we can count to 1,000. All right, so we put a check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark, and check mark. There you go. All right, you see where all these are? Good job, everybody. Whew. How was that? A little hard on your brain? All right, let's move that back up. And I think we'll leave it right there.
Why do we use numbers?
What? Say that again. What?
Why do we use numbers?
Why do we use numbers? Is that the question down there? Can't really see it on mine. Well, that's a good question. Why do we use numbers? Do we use numbers a lot or a little bit? What do you think?
A lot.
Yeah, way more than you think. Let's say you want to know what time it is. It's all numbers. Okay? You want to know you're going to buy a shirt. You have to know how much that is. It's all number. We use numbers a lot. Every single.
And you can know your home.
Yes, where your home is. What's the number? All right, so what are the odd numbers again?
When you don't have numbers, you will walk through your home.
You won't even find it because there's no numbers. What are the odd numbers again? Tell me what they are.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Excellent. What are our even numbers?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You're right. So 10 can also be a 0. So the even numbers are actually 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. All right, you guys did a great job through all this. That was a lot of information. All right, so we'll stop there. Okay. You guys did a fantastic job today. All right, so let's do a, let me see. Well, I was going to go back and watch this, but we're out of time. So let's do a goodbye song. So let's find, I like the one that we always like. Bye. Oops.
Hey, you. Teacher.
Yes?
Well, goodbye song. See you later.
Do I what? Do I write it?
Goodbye song. And see you later.
That's right. Well, we'll do this one we always watch because I can find that one easily. So let's have a little goodbye song. You guys did an excellent job today.
But this is so fast one.
Yeah, I like this one too. A lot of people like it. My other classes like it too. Oops. Hold on. Come on.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye.
to go